March 14th, 2017, Danbury, Connecticut. Blizzard. It's, I don't know, it's about 6 o'clock in the morning. Walking to work. Looks like there was a few, or at least, yeah, a few vehicles were on the road. Hear a plow in the background. But it looks pretty dead from a Tuesday morning. There's a car out there at the gas station. Supposedly there's a ban on state roads, but I guess if you're supposedly an essential employee of the state or an emergency responder, you gotta get to work somehow. So I just saw a car go by. It's really just a lot of snow. There's no wind. It's just a snowstorm so far. They're calling it a blizzard. I don't know. I've seen this stuff before. It's not really a big deal. I've driven in it before. So that's about it. It's coming down pretty good. There's a car now. The road's pretty abandoned, except for a few vehicles. Like I said, and that's it.